Hi friends, and welcome back to ORAH YouTube channel. In today's Adobe Photoshop tutorial, you will learn how you can convert a jet black color which has completely no detail in it to some other color or even a white color. This is amazing, right? So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, I have opened this image of the model. The link to her Instagram is in the description of this video. So let's do the work. First thing you need to do is create a selection of this black color. So like always, I will use this quick selection tool because this is the best tool when it comes to creating selections. Carefully select all the black dress by dragging with the left mouse button. Where you want to minus an area from the selection, you can hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and drag with your left mouse button. Let go of the Alt key, then hold it down once again and left click drag to minus this area from the selection as well. Use Control space plus left mouse button drag to zoom in or zoom out. This is the best zoom method for me, at least. Then you can left mouse click on areas which should be included into the selection. So you can pan around the image by holding down space and dragging with your left mouse button. I think this is okay. A little need to be subtracted from here and a little needed to be added from this location. Okay, that's fine. I will press Ctrl 0 to zoom to fit in. Now create a new group by clicking create a new group icon in the layers panel. Make sure the selection is still active and click add a layer mask. A layer mask is now created from the black suit. Now we need to create a solid color layer by going to the create a new adjustment layer and click solid color. You can choose any color here for now, but later you can change it. So I will choose a pink color here. Hit OK. Create another adjustment layer, but this time choose levels. Okay. Now you need to change the blending mode of the color fill layer from normal to color. This will do. Now the color of black dress is changed to pink, but still you can't see much because a lot of areas are still darker. That's why we created this levels adjustment layer. So I will click on this icon of the levels layer, and in the properties panel, by the way, if you can't see the properties panel, you can always go to window menu and choose properties. In the properties panel, I will adjust the levels, try to see what happens. All these 3 points like this, or even you can also change the 2 points below. See what works best for you. So in my opinion, this is okay here. So let's try and change the color to something else by double clicking the solid color adjustment layer on this icon, not on the mask. We can now choose any color we want. So this is insane. I mean, this was impossible to change the black into something. This was jet black, really has no detail in it. But one advice here would be to use a higher quality image, highest quality image, especially which came from a camera like DSLR or mirrorless camera, and that will have more detail in the black and your final results will be better. So now is the time to make it into a white or gray color. How you can do that, let me show you. We will create a new adjustment layer of hue saturation and play with the lightness slider. This will turn it black and this will turn it white. Make sure you decrease the saturation all the way down, and here's your gray color and here's your white color. So as I said before, make sure the image has enough quality. This is a low resolution image. In some other tutorial, I will also show you how you can convert low resolution images into a better resolution images by increasing its quality. So this was the way to change jet black color into something else. This works for clothing, hair, etc, you name it. So hope you liked today's video. Make sure you subscribe to Odash.